Anthony Creek with DTG Printer Parts. This is a quick tutorial on how to use our Pretreat nozzle cleaner. It's one of our newest products. Okay, very simple, easy, and effective. All right, so you're done using your machine at the end of the day. You flushed it out like normal. Okay, you're gonna have to take off your nozzles. Okay, you can leave them in the cap or take them out, whatever your preference is. Okay, definitely use a metal brush to scrape off whatever you've got on your Pretreat nozzle. Okay, then you put it into something like this, like a little container. You can put the whole cap and the nozzle in there, or you can take out the nozzle itself and put it in there. So really simple. You can keep your nozzles like this, and then the next day purge your machine with Pretreat, put the caps back on, and there you go. Really simple, easy to use. And what this does is prevent oxidation, so you don't have to replace your nozzles as frequent. So this will help you to save money. If you have any questions about this product, please check the description below. Visit the links to this product that'll take you to this product on our website, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you.